Hello guys, welcome to Medical Engineering. In this video I show you how you can install Android operating system in your laptop or PC. So let's start. First you need to download an operating system named Remix OS. The link of this operating system is in the description. You can download it. So I already downloaded it. So I go to the next step. It download in zip file, so you need to extract it. Here is our files. Now we extract some part space to install it. We open my computer, manage, disk management. Here is our C. Right click on it, shrink the volume, okay. I give it approximately 8 GB. You can give more if you want. (9,000 MBs. Now shrink. Okay, our new partition is now created. Now we need to format it. Next, delete the name, next, finish. Okay, now our new partition is ready. Now we open our files, remix, here you choose ISO file of your Android, browse. This is our file. So we install it in E, which we now created. You can also install it in a USB drive if you want, but now we are installing it in hard disk. Okay, so now it's copying files. It takes some time. After completing, it asks you to reboot the system. Okay, now installation is complete. Now you need to reboot your system.